Hey everyone, I've got this super power turbo fan from EUKI, and here's everything that came in the box. It's got the blower, plus it's got a brush kit as well, with all kinds of different brushes in there for cleaning. Some of them are really flexible, some of them are a little more rigid. It's got the Type-C power connector too. This is turning it on. It's got 3 different speeds. Those 3 dots indicate the 3 different speeds, and if you just press that power button, you can set your speed. And then you just push the trigger to turn it on. But great for all kinds of different things. You know, you can blow up inflatables, blow out motors of your machines. Great for cleaning underneath the floor mats of your vehicle. This kind of shows you the different speeds. But this thing works really good. I was amazed at how much air this thing can generate, how much force. You know, great for detailing your vehicles, getting the debris out of the side panels, the side pockets, your doors, cleaning the keyboards, the brushes. The uses for these brushes are just endless, and there's all kinds of different ones as well, which is really nice. Cleaning out the window sills. This thing's really lightweight, great for indoor and outdoor use. You could use this for drying your pet after you give him a bath, cleaning off your grill. And to turn it off, just press that power button and hold it down. It's got a nice carrying bag for storage. It fits everything in there nicely, and it cinches down.